Today we will learn about the process of eutrophication. Eutrophication is the process by which bodies of water become over-enriched with nutrients, typically nitrogen and phosphorus, through an excessive growth of algae and other aquatic plants, which can ultimately result in oxygen depletion and the death of aquatic organisms. There are two types of eutrophication, natural and cultural. Natural eutrophication occurs over very long periods of time as rocks and soil erode and release small amounts of nutrients into the bodies of water. This process can take thousands of years, and the slow release of nutrients allows aquatic ecosystems to adapt to changing conditions. And about cultural eutrophication is caused by human activities such as agricultural runoff, sewage discharges, and industrial effluents. These sources introduce large amounts of nutrients into bodies of water in a short period of time. The process of cultural eutrophication typically involves several stages. Excess nutrients enter a body of water. This can happen through a variety of human activities, including agricultural runoff, sewage discharges, and industrial effluents. Number 2. Algal blooms. The excess nutrients provide a food source for and other aquatic plants, which can grow rapidly and form dense mats on the surface of water. Dense mats on the surface of the water. This can lead to the formation of harmful algal blooms, which can produce toxins that can be harmful to humans and wildlife. Number 3. Oxygen depletion. As the algae and other aquatic plants die and decompose, they consume oxygen from the water. This can lead to a decrease in oxygen levels in the water, which can be harmful or even fatal to fish and other organisms. The last one, dead zones. In extreme cases, the oxygen depletion can become so severe that large areas of water become hypoxic or completely devoid of oxygen. These areas, known as dead zones, are unable to support most forms of aquatic life. So this was the process of eutrophication. If you found this video useful, subscribe.